Hello car enthusiasts, welcome to this Modreal video where we're just going to review the latest version of our clutch pedal adapter kit for a Jaguar XK8, XKR X100, early Aston Martin Vanquish and late XJS. So we have the clutch pedal. This is actually a Fiesta S-type pedal pad, but it's surprisingly good quality. It's aluminium with rubber dimples coming through. That is bolted and secured with a bolt going through the back and a lock nut and a tie wrap for extra security. Obviously, we've got these rubber tabs that flap about a bit. I haven't chopped them off. Possibly it might be worth chopping them off later if they foul with your feet. There's a nut here for if you want to apply a bolt to reduce the pedal travel if the pedal travel's excessive. It shouldn't be, but it's just in case. You've got your return spring in there. You need to make sure it's engaged here, and that will return the pedal normally. See there, it works. It'll bring it back to the full extent. This particular kit is for a 3-bolt right-hand drive car, and you can see here's the standard 3-bolt pedal box. We've made a hole. I've added a bit of rubber on the back to help with sealing. Sealing is a bit of an issue. You will also see a seal on the cylinder, which we'll come to that in a minute. You will notice there's 2 bolts here. These are longer bolts than the existing type ones used, and these have been added because obviously once I've added the thickness and the extra seals to the pedal box, the standard bolts don't work. The Jaguar X100 pedal box is bolted with 2 bolts and 2 studs. So those replace the bolts. The studs, obviously, they're okay. They're on the back. This is the standard brake pedal. It's been bent at this point to bring it back square at the right pitch for the pedal. Again, the pedal pad's the same. There's a roll of seal. Now this seal needs to go in between the new bracket and the pedal box to provide a seal. I've actually got the original pedal box seal, which you can add under this bracket, but obviously you need something in between the hinge bracket and the pedal box, which is what that's for. You'll see here there's a special tool. One of the nuts, at least in XK, is particularly difficult to get at, so this is a bit of a tool that allows you to tighten up that particular nut or bolt. Then we have the master cylinder. In this case, it's a Wilwood 13/16 master cylinder bolted to a bracket which will fix onto the back of the pedal box and go through this hole. So I'll just take this off a second. And then the clevis basically passes through that hole and it bolts in between. I said the sealing, you will need to apply some silicone sealant on this to add that little extra bit of security. So there you go. That's our pedal box adaptation kit. We're going to carry on developing this to get it perfect. If you're interested, please contact us at the channel at Modreal at AOL.com or put a request in the comments. Anyway, hope you find that interesting. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more XK8 videos. Bye bye.